Boys, today we check out what quite possibly, through my research, might be the best, well, not my research, somebody else's, we'll speak about that. That might be the best fake jewelry piece slash cheapest we've ever seen on the channel. However, I woke up in a bad mood and my day is now ruined. No, just kidding. Imagine if I just ended it like that. Ian the cameraman, also roommate, downstairs is doing meeting calls all day with his work. Upstairs, I got my girl who's doing schooling all day for whatever, and they need me out the house. So we're filming the car. Back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Welcome back. First things first, man. Thumbs up, comment down below. We're giving away a real gold rope chain if you guys hit 500 comments within the day. Sorry, thumbs up within the day. Comment down below is how you enter. Thumbs up and commenting. My Instagram's right here. Let me know when you did it. If you don't let me know, I might not pick you. First things first, boys, we have a package. I think it's in my pocket. That it was supposed to come in 3 months ago, bro. I got a random package at my door 2 days ago that I had no idea what it was. I looked up the tracking and I bought it like 3 months ago, and I looked back in my notes, and what somebody had told me is somebody on Instagram told me to check this out because it was super highly rated. This piece of jewelry that we're about to unbox on AliExpress, it looks super real. This is the type of stuff you see actual rappers wearing, bro. Like, actual rappers wear the fake stuff sometimes on stage. I hope you guys know that, so the real stuff doesn't get snatched.
That's a new piece.
Regardless, some rappers out there are wearing the fake stuff. I just think this is the type of thing that if you're trying to fake flex, and this is why I do these videos of the fake jewelry. I don't necessarily fake flex myself, but I have. The reason I do it this way is because I know there's a lot of upcoming rappers that want to be respected, and unfortunately they feel like they have to be respected with this good looking real diamond jewelry. However, my goal for you guys has always been, if you're in that situation or just want to wear something that looks nice on you, to find you the best looking one for a deal. I think we found it from AliExpress, but apparently it was best rated. I do remember seeing that. I just can't remember a whole lot, but it was in my notes, so I guess I saw it. Boys, let's get into it. Quick ad, real quick.
Hi, it's Vince with ShamWow.
Boys, this video is brought to you by NameBrandFan.com. Guess what? It's by me. There's a link down below. I'm a fucking business owner and a up. Boys, what you're gonna find on the site, my favorite thing right now is a mystery box. It's $24.99. If you click the link down below, we're actually adding right now, if you do buy, free shirts in there that we're throwing in extra. But my favorite part here is, boy, god damn it, man, it's tripod. I'm trying to do a awesome sponsorship for myself. But the best part, boys, somebody who purchases a mystery box is either gonna get a PS5 or an Xbox Series X. We're gonna let you choose. This is big. PS5 just announced that they're not putting out a lot more of them, or they've discontinued how much they're gonna put out. I don't know. It's gonna be hard to get. So we're gonna be picking randomly from one of the orders. We're gonna hit you up and be like, yo, pick. Anyway, NameBrandFan.com. We appreciate you, man, like tons, because I own it and I get some of the money. And I love you. Like, I don't know. I got the package in one of these damn pockets. There's only two. I don't know why I'm panicking. Boys, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't actually been. I was gonna say I've been stoked for this. I think I was stoked for it about 3 months ago, but now I'm re-stoked about it because I totally forgot we freaking ordered it. AliExpress, the worst with shipping, bro. So this one right here, very careful of I'm just gonna crumple it up. Very careful of covering my address. Yeah, like I said, bro, it's pretty much now I just want this freaking sucking kind of. This is gonna be super annoying for you guys. I'm just not gonna do it. Let me chew this real quick. That mistake. I think that might have been a jawbreaker, bro. I think it was a jawbreaker. Anyway, so best rated kind of, and something hopefully that you can get away with, you know, rocking. If you're trying to fake flex, I hate the word for that because that's got like a bad. It's got kind of a bad, like, reputation behind it. You shouldn't be bad for wearing jewelry. Who's to say, man, if you got a cool diamond necklace, who cares? Oh, is it real? No, but it looks sick on me, correct? Well, yeah. Wait, does it look kind of real? Yeah. So who the f cares? I don't know. It just should be real. You know, give them one of those. I'm super against that. That's why I've always been with the fake jewelry stuff. Also, real jewelry videos cost a lot more, but like, I'm with the boys, man. Anyway, let me just rip this up real quick. I'm trying not to waste too much time in these videos, man, and leave the talking that I want to do, because I'm a talker till the end. Ugh. Then you guys can watch if you want to. Okay. Frick, that's sick. Didn't bring a diamond tester. I'm just looking real quick if I need one. No, it's not gonna pass a diamond tester. This is cool, man. So what I did pay for this off AliExpress, once again, very highly rated. It was $49.99, and this thing, I was really actually scared that this would not look good. Oh, you can see it on the screen. I was scared this would not look good because I'm hyping it up because I kind of already had the title. Boys, no, we're good. You gotta be careful of like not showing anything that's like a fake rolly. You can't be doing that. They're gonna track you down real quick. This looks exactly like a damn Rolex, boys. I've seen a lot in my life because I got a lot of like richer friends than I that just rock these Rolexes, but this isn't a Rolex. It's definitely the same style. Boys, what we have right here for 40, this isn't even a sponsorship, and I'll tell you why real quick, which I'm pissed off about. I always try to like get you the link, but I looked at the seller that was selling this and they don't have it anymore, bro. So I'll do my research tonight. If you guys really want to see a link of it, I'm gonna try my best to find the same one, because AliExpress, they kind of sell the same stuff, but of the same quality. Boys, it's been not too long since we've done jewelry reviews. I've been trying to, oh, that clasp. Oh, I don't know if I could say that one. Get lost. The quality of this isn't great, but it looks nice. The shine's really nice. Diamonds just look good, even though they are fake, and I know they will not pass a diamond tester. They actually, you can tell they're like limestones. What the frick is that word? Gemstones. They're kind of gemstone if you see them up close, but from afar, let me put this on my damn wrist real quick. You're gonna think I'm freaking Bill Gates, but not divorced. I actually kept her and kept my other side girls. I'm winning. I want to test if this thing actually winds up and ticks. There's no ticking. Okay, so the battery doesn't work on it, boys, but it still looks good. So anyway, what I wanted to talk about is a lot of you guys are asking for more jewelry reviews. Obviously, lately I've been doing a bunch of NFT videos and stuff like that. First off, smash test. I did come prepared a little bit. I actually didn't think I hit it that hard. Any watch is gonna break it that. Oh god, the thumbnail. Oh, I needed that for the thumbnail. Ugh, I didn't mean to hit it that hard. I'd say it passed the smash test, boys. And it actually held up quite well. For the amount of force my brute strength provided, I really just have to spend so much time photoshopping what it did look like in my thumbnail now. Anyway, what was I at? Tangenting. I just like, I now want to just like make YouTube videos where I still show you what you guys want to see, but also tangent off a little bit, which I've always done, but also like, I've been doing that different stuff with like NFTs, and like obviously with my YouTube now, this is the real talk. Video's done. I showed you the damn watch. My review actually, first off. For fake and the price, I give it a solid, except the clasp, which is gonna take off a mark. Break, we won't, break is actually gonna add marks. This thing should have shattered. This is like a damn window of your car that actually does shatter. It's supposed to shatter. It's a bad window then. 7.8 out of 10, which is quite high. Anyway, yeah, we're back on the YouTube grind, boys. I'm sorry, I gotta say my focus hasn't been there lately, because my focus has been, honestly, not enough on YouTube, but too much on NFTs, which has helped me out a lot with money. But the reason I was doing that was so I could continue YouTube while my views are low, and you know, when I'm not posting as much and stuff like that, YouTube really stops sharing and people stop caring. So I was like, I need some income so I can keep doing this, but then I focused too hard on the income and not focusing on the actual thing that I was using that income to provide me to do. I think that might have, I think I came out with a nice sentence there. Anyway, look at me selling an NFT at the end of the month for about 50 grand. I got for about 100 bucks. I'm excited about it. I'm waiting a little bit more. We're making gains, boys. But my focus now is, once again, YouTube. It's always been YouTube, but more. I've been SHITing, and that is the watch. You guys let me know what you think of it. This is everything you see about it. The gold on it looks sick. I mean, it's up to you. It's up to you what you think, but I'd honestly probably wear this. I wouldn't, if I was trying to fake flex it, I wouldn't let somebody just like take it off my wrist, because you can tell with the lightness that it's fake, but it looks, not even from afar, from here it looks extremely real until you go up and see the diamonds aren't set, they're just glued in. No, they're set. Oh, I'm set. Yeah. Okay, bye guys. New video tomorrow, obviously. And the next, and the next. We're killing it. I got a pink shirt on that's 4 sizes too big, and I'm freaking awesome. And humble. Bye.